Welcome to our guide on how to fix AirPlay on Samsung Frame TV. If you've been struggling to connect your Apple devices to your Samsung Frame TV using AirPlay, you're not alone. Many users face connectivity issues that can be frustrating, especially when you want to enjoy seamless streaming from your iPhone or iPad. But worry not. We're here to help with some straightforward solutions you can try today to fix AirPlay on your Samsung Frame TV and get back to enjoying your favorite content. Step 1. Verify your TV and iOS compatibility. The first step in fixing AirPlay issues is to ensure that both your Samsung Frame TV and Apple device support the latest version of AirPlay. Samsung Frame TVs released from 2018 onward generally support AirPlay 2, but it's crucial to verify this through your TV's user manual or Samsung's official website. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is running the latest iOS version. This ensures compatibility and the best functionality when using AirPlay. Step 2. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. For AirPlay to function properly, your Samsung Frame TV and Apple device need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Go to your TV's settings, navigate to Network, and ensure that you're connected to your desired network. Repeat this step on your Apple device and verify the network name matches. If they aren't on the same network, connect them accordingly to avoid any connectivity hindrance. Step 3. Restart your devices. Restart both your Samsung Frame TV and your Apple device. For the TV, hold down the power button until it turns off and back on. For your iOS device, simply restart it by holding down the appropriate button. This can resolve minor glitches that are preventing AirPlay from working correctly. Step 4. Update your device software. Keeping your devices updated can resolve numerous functionality issues, including those with AirPlay. Check for and install any software updates available for your Samsung Frame TV by going to Settings, Support, Software Update. On your Apple device, navigate to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. These updates often come with important improvements and bug fixes that enhance device performance. Step 5. Disable Bluetooth on your iOS device. While AirPlay relies on Wi-Fi, sometimes other wireless signals like Bluetooth can interfere. Temporarily turn off Bluetooth on your Apple device by going to Settings, Bluetooth, and toggling it off. Once you've disabled Bluetooth, try using AirPlay again to see if it resolves the issue. Fixing AirPlay on your Samsung Frame TV doesn't have to be a daunting task. By ensuring compatibility, aligning network, restarting devices, updating software, and adjusting Bluetooth settings, you'll be well on your way to resolving most common AirPlay issues. Remember, keeping your devices updated and connected properly is key to getting AirPlay to function as expected. Should you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Samsung or Apple customer support for more personalized assistance. Enjoy your seamless streaming experience and happy watching.